Today, I am reviewing the Westinghouse 49-inch Curved Ultrawide Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the design and display experience. This monitor uses a VA panel that offers deep blacks, vibrant contrast, and rich color tones that really pop. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, editing content, or working across multiple windows, the visual clarity and depth of this screen are impressive. The 1800R curve wraps gently around your field of vision, making the experience far more immersive than a flat screen. That curvature not only improves immersion, but also reduces edge distortion and glare, helping your eyes stay comfortable during long sessions. Now, for gamers, this monitor is built with you in mind. The 144Hz refresh rate is a game changer. It delivers ultra-smooth motion, significantly reducing motion blur and ghosting in fast-paced action games. Whether you're deep into competitive shooters like Call of Duty or Apex Legends, or navigating massive open worlds like Starfield or Cyberpunk 2077, the visuals remain fluid and responsive. Combine that with AMD FreeSync support, and you've got a monitor that minimizes screen tearing, stuttering, and input lag. The result is a seamless, responsive experience that helps you stay locked into the action without any annoying visual hiccups. What I love most about this monitor is its versatility. It's not just for gaming. That 3840 by 1080 Super Ultrawide resolution gives you a productivity boost as well. You can have multiple windows open side by side without ever feeling cramped. It's perfect for creators, streamers, coders, or anyone who needs screen real estate to multitask efficiently. Need to have your video editor open next to a browser and a music player? No problem. This monitor handles it all without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about connectivity. Westinghouse has done a great job here. You get 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPorts, allowing you to hook up your gaming PC, console, work laptop, or even a streaming device, all at the same time. And they include a DisplayPort cable in the box, which is a thoughtful touch. The monitor also comes with built-in speakers and an audio out jack, making it ideal for quick setup without cluttering your desk with external speaker systems. While the internal speakers won't replace a high-end soundbar, they're perfect for casual gaming, video calls, or even watching YouTube and Netflix. If you're looking for a clean desk setup, those built-in speakers can really come in handy. From an aesthetic point of view, the monitor looks sleek and modern, with a clean matte finish and thin bezels on the top and sides. It adds a premium look to your setup and definitely gives that wow factor when people walk into the room. And since it's Visa compatible, you can mount it on a wall or arm for even more flexibility in how you set up your workspace or gaming station. In terms of performance, style, and functionality, the Westinghouse 49-inch Curved Ultrawide hits a really sweet spot. It's immersive, it's fast, and it's feature-rich without being overcomplicated or overpriced. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, multitasker, or just want a cinematic experience at your desk, this monitor delivers across the board. It offers the power and immersion of a dual monitor setup without the clutter, and its wide range of features make it suitable for both play and productivity. If you've been thinking about upgrading your monitor, this is absolutely one to consider. The visual real estate, fast refresh rate, AMD FreeSync support, and built-in audio make it a complete package. Add to that the sleek design and flexible connectivity options, and you've got a display that looks just as good as it performs. To learn more or check out the current pricing and deals, make sure to follow the link in the description. This monitor is a serious upgrade, and once you try it, you may never want to go back to a standard screen again.